What is he doing?
Dude, look at the back wheel just floating.
Dude. This is ML320. I believe that's a 320. This is a ML350 over here. We got some surgery going on over here.
Surgery, we're making a coolant hose.
Okay, so you popped a leak or something.
You want to fly it?
Alright guys, so we're getting ready to roll out. So we're leaving the ML behind. This is a 350, right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, cool. So we're leaving the 350 behind and then we're hitting up Nimblewell. Okay, so the Tacoma is gonna lead and then we all just follow. Front wheel left.
Oh yeah, I can't celebrate you.
Oh my god. Teeter totter. Oh my god.
Look.
Who's next? What is he doing?
Dude, look at the back wheel just floating.
Dude.
He's got them floaters on that bitch.
Nuts.
Okay, so he's gonna...
Oh, I forgot this one.
You guys sure do love to lift wheels. I think he's gonna do the craziness you did.